So guys, I'm very extremely sorry for guys because of the network issue. I had got a late being today to the class. Okay guys, fine. I think all of you had been joined the today's section class. Guys, yesterday I don't know guys what is wrong with you people. You people didn't say to me because guys I didn't start sharing the screen sharing only. I don't know guys in the last class and the previous class whatever the discussion we had, I don't know how you people had got it, how you people had understood guys, because the previous class is the most important class guys because it totally related to the Java programming language guys which people are learning right now. Guys, you have to say guys if I forgot, if I didn't start sharing the screening guys. I don't know guys how many people, how you people had didn't how you people had understood the last and the previous class. Okay guys, I'm getting the many a message from you people because you people didn't understand the last class and the previous class guys, which is the most important for you people. So guys, I'm beginning with the yesterday's class guys right now in the today because guys it is a very important to know for you people, okay, to begin with the upcoming concept. So guys, please response me, please have the interaction between you and I people guys because it's very important guys. If you people are getting interesting guys, I'm also getting interest to make you people more learning toward the Java. Now guys, let us to have the today's concept beginning. So first of all, I'll make the screen sharing for to visible each and everyone. Yeah. uh, yeah. Yeah guys, let us to have the today's discussion with you people guys. In the last class, on the previous class, where we are discussing about the concept to called as the what do you mean by the instance variable and the what do you mean by the local variable. Guys, in the previous class I have told you people before that when I'm beginning with the Java section guys with you people guys, I had forgot the one of the concept to say for you people, that is what do you mean by the instance class and the local variable. Guys, first of all I have told you people variables are the one of the beautiful concept which has been came into the picture in order to store the data inside the variable. Guys, yesterday I have told you people where I am saying guys by taking the one of the scenario called as guys, these are the details of the person which is belonging to the details of the person whose name is the Rohit and whose age is the 20. Guys, like this remaining details follows whose number is the and guys whose height is a 5.4. Guys, from the details guys of a particular person who is called a Rohit, guys, at the right hand side you people are seeing the details of the person called the Rohit, whose age is the 20, whose respective mobile number, whose age is 5.4, whose weight is 50, okay na, gender, his employee, okay na, yes or no. Guys, these are the details guys which I have taken of the particular person guys. Guys, from this detail guys, what you people need to understand, that's what I'm saying for you people. Guys, at the right hand side these are the details of the person. Guys, if you like to store all this detail inside the Java program guys, you have to use the concept to call as the variable, okay na. What do you mean by variable? Variables are used to store the data inside the variable. Inside the variable, the specifying the name of the variable. For example guys, as you people are seeing, this is my data I'm having called the Rohit, which is the collections of the character As the rules of the Java says, guys, when you are having the collections of the character more than one character, you have to be enclosed within the double quote. That is the starting at the ending. You have to specify the double quote. Guys, what if in the case this is the piece of the data you people are having? Okay, na? Guys, this piece of the data called the Rohit, the name of the person. This data, guys, if you want to store, guys, if you want to take this data and if you want to put inside the Java programming language, guys, you have to specify the name of the variable. What do you mean by specifying the name of the variable? Nothing but, guys, declaring the name of the variable. For example, guys, for instance, I had specified this name of the variable called name of the person. It means, guys, this is the data you are having, which is the collection of the character enclosed within the double quote, which you are taking and storing inside the name of the variable called name of the person. Guys, this is the concept which we had discussed, guys, with a technically what we would like to say for you people, we call as the one is a declaration of the variable, where we are writing the name of the variable. Similarly, guys, the data, the value which you people are having, that you want to store, guys, that is nothing but initializing, guys. Between these two different, that is declaring and initializing, one operator will become, that is the assignment operator. Guys, this is the assignment operator. Now, guys, specifying the piece of the data, the data which you people are having, and specifying the name of the variable and specifying the assignment operator, guys, is not enough. Guys, in the previous section I have told you people, you have to specify the respective data, data type. Guys, what do you mean by the data type? Guys, the data type is nothing but, it says for the computer. Guys, before that, by seeing this entire line, okay na, guys, as we are the human being, guys, we can understand, this is the piece of the data, that is the Rohit, it is the name of the person, so which we are storing inside the variable called the name of the person. Guys, as we are the human being, we can understand, guys, this is the piece of the data which I am specifying and taking and storing, collecting inside the variable called the name of the person. Okay, now, guys, what about the computer? Guys, to make the computer to understand a computer, you consider these data, the data which I am having, it is the string kind of the data. What do you mean by the data type? Guys, what kind of the data you are storing within your respective variable, the variable name which you had a specific. Similarly, guys, I have told you people in the previous class, we are having the different kind of the data. Guys, for example, this 20 is the age of the person who is the Rohit. Guys, if I want to take this piece of the data and if I want to put inside my Java program, guys, I have to create the variable, then I have to specify the data, that is the 20. Guys, if I specify the assignment operator, this 20 will be stored inside this name of the variable called age of the person. Guys, what is the data type? Guys, it should be the data type called the int. Similarly, guys, we are having one more data, that is mobile number. Guys, in the mobile number, if you see this piece of the data which is having only the number, guys, you have to specify the data type called as the int. Similarly, guys, if people are having the one more piece of the data, that is 5.4, nothing but, guys, it is the height of the person. Now, guys, this 5.4, if you consider this data, okay, now if you want to put inside the Java program, you will specify by coming over here. Let us assume this is the data I am having right now. So this is the data I am putting inside my Java program. Guys, if I come over here, let us assume this is our Java program. Okay, now, guys, coming inside the Java program, guys, I have told you people we have to create the class by specifying the name of the class. Guys, inside the class, what you people are doing, guys, 5.4. Okay, now, guys, this is the data you are having, the piece of the data you are having, which is indicating that this is the height of the a person. Okay, guys, coming at the end of this data, you have to specify the one suffix, which is nothing but, guys, you have to specify the one a letter, guys, nothing but, guys, f, because this is a floating a point, this is the floating kind of the data, because, guys, the number after the number dot operator, if you're having up to the 5 or the 6 number, guys, that it should be considered the floating point, floating a type of the data. Guys, in the Java, guys, it is the rule, guys. Okay, now we have to specify this f has the suffix at the end of the data we are having. Okay, now such a kind of the data which is having the floating point. Now, guys, if you didn't specify this, what happened? Guys, if we execute, it will throw an error by saying that it is the compilation error. Okay, now it is the syntax error, the syntax error. Okay, the mistake done by the user end. Okay, now, guys, whenever you are having a such kind of the data with the floating point, the number with this dot operator, guys, you have to consider it has the floating point of the data. Guys, if you want to specify this data as a floating point, at the end you have to specify f a letter. Okay, now, guys, otherwise what happened, guys, see, if you didn't specify at the end, okay, now has the f a letter, guys, it, the computer Java will be considered, guys, it is the double kind of the data. Guys, I hope people are able to remember the different kinds of the data we are having, guys, which is come under the category of the integer type of the data. One is short, byte, long, double. I hope, guys, you people are able to remember. Now, guys, remaining data, guys, we are having the height of the person. Okay, now if you want to take this data, if you want to store inside the Java program, the data type will be a int. Guys, guys, along with this thing, guys, one thing I had forgot you people to say, guys, that is, what do you mean by the instance variable and the local variable? Guys, as the programmer is very important to be know, guys. Now, guys, what do you mean by this instance variable and the local variable? Guys, these are the two types of the variables available in the Java. Now, what do you mean by this instance variable? Guys, right now I have said you for you people, variables are used to store the data inside the specified name of the variable. Then what do you mean by this instance variable? Guys, instance variable are such a variable, guys. For example, guys, over here I hope people are able to see, guys, I had created the class by specifying the name of the class called the demo. Okay, now, guys, coming inside the class, int a, float b, char c, boolean d. Guys, you people are able to find over here the different kinds of the variable with the different kinds of the data type. Guys, if you like to say for you people, inside the class, outside the method, if you find such kind of the variable, guys, you should consider as instance a variable. I hope, guys, you people had got my point. Now, guys, what do you mean by the local variable? You are having the instance variable inside the class. If you find this variable inside the class, outside the method, we need to call as the instance variable. Guys, 1 second. You can switch on in the low. It is a voice recording. You can on. You can on. Yeah, guys. guys, one is the instance variable, one more is the local variable. Okay now, guys, what do you mean by the local variable? Guys, local variable are the such variable, guys, as you people are able to see, I had created the class by specifying the name of the class called a demo. Guys, if you come inside the class, you people are able to find the name of the method called a fun. Okay now, by specifying the name of the method called fun, guys, inside the class, okay now, fun method, inside the method, guys, all this variable which you are able to see over here, guys, these are the local variable. Guys, what do you mean by the local variable? Inside the method, whatever the variable you find, guys, that all you need to consider, you need to call as the local variable. Now guys, one more difference between the instance variable and the local variable. Guys, instance variable are the such a variable, guys, they are having the default value, guys, assigned by one of the person called a JVM. Guys, JVM, guys, one of the person who come internally for this variable inside the class, whatever the variable you people are seeing, guys, for this variable internally in the memory point of the view in the heap segment, guys, JVM will be assigned the default value for this. Now, so what about the local variable? Local variable also having the default value? No, guys, local variables are not having any default value. It means, guys, local variables are not assigned with the default of value. Okay na? Guys, if you like to say for you people another difference between the instance variable and the local variable, guys, inside the class, whatever the variable you people are saying, these variable, guys, memory allocation. The third difference, guys, the third point, memory allocation. Guys, previous class I have told you people, this variable for the memory allocation will always and always will be happen in the heap segment. Then what about the local variable? Guys, once you create the method by specifying the name of the method, guys, in the stack segment, inside the stack segment, at the each movement, guys, when you create the method by specifying the name of the method, guys, one stack frame, separate stack frame will be created, guys, inside the stack at the moment when you create the method. I hope, guys, yesterday I have told you people, guys, inside the stack segment, within the small separate stack frame created for the method, guys, inside, okay, now within that, guys, all this memory will be allocated. Guys, if you like to say for you people in the simple word, guys, for the local variable, memory allocation will happen in the stack segment. Okay now, inside the separate frame which is created for the separate frame which is created for the method which you are created. Guys, these are the major difference between what you mean by the instance variable and the local variable, and these are the, guys, major difference between instance variable and the local variable. Now, guys, after this, guys, we had discussed the where is yeah, okay, yeah, okay, yeah, guys, in the previous session I have told you people, Java is a collection of the classes and the object. Guys, the way which you look at in, guys, the way which you look at the thing in the Java, we should say it has an object. Guys, on that time, guys, I'm saying for you people, guys, Java is the collection of the object and the classes. Guys, what do you mean by this object? Guys, if you like to say for you people, before that, guys, I have told you people, object having the two part. Okay now, guys, every object will be have the two parts. Okay now, one part, guys, which is the has part, one is the does part. For example guys, for example, within the example guys, I had created the class by specifying the name of the class called the car. Okay, now guys, inside the class guys, see, people are able to find the name of the car, cost of the car, mileage of the car. Guys, before that guys, see guys, the thing which we see in the Java guys, what do you mean by oriented guys? The way we look out the something, okay na? Guys, for example, I had given the example guys, the a glass of the water, okay na? Guys, if you people are having the glass of the water, okay na? One person came guys, called the chemist. If you see the glass of the water guys, he going to be answer by seeing the way you look at the glass of the water, he going to be answer guys, it is the half liquid half gas. Guys, this is the example guys, previously I had given for you people guys. With the same example guys, what I would like to say for you people, by considering this a car guys, car is the object in the Java program. Why you are saying this car is the object in the Java program guys? The thing which you look at in the Java, you have to be say guys, by mentioning the thing, you have to be say guys object. For example guys, when you look at the car guys, you have to be say car object, okay now guys, car having the two properties guys, two apart, has right now guys have to say, has right now guys had said for you people, it having the has and the does, okay now. What do you mean by this has and the does, okay now guys, for example, we are having the car, okay now guys, we know car having the some properties, car has their properties guys. If you like to mention what are the properties car has guys, a car has the car name. Similarly guys, car will be have the cost of the car. Similarly guys, the car will be have the respective mileage guys. All these details of a car, okay na, all these details of the car guys, this can be handled by using the concept called instance variable. Guys, similarly please try to understand guys, car will be have some behavior guys. Why do you think starting the car, stopping the car, accelerating the car guys, these are the different actions we are performing with the car guys? All these things guys, starting the car, stopping the car, accelerating car, moving a car guys, all these different behavior action guys, if I want to put within my Java program guys, that is by creating the class, inside the class guys, that I had handled guys by using the by creating guys the different method guys. If people are able to find inside the car class which I had created guys, I had specified the name of the method, okay now. What is the name of the method? A start. Similarly guys, one more method I had been created, okay now, by specifying the name of the method called accelerate. Similarly guys, one more method I had created to stop the car, okay now, by specifying the name of the method, that is stop. Now guys, what do you mean by this start the car, stop the car, writing the name of the method guys? This is the action guys which I would like to perform by writing the lines of the code in the Java, okay now guys. These are the two different properties of the object. Okay guys, on that time guys, I am saying for you people, object guys. What do you mean by this? Really mean by this object in the Java guys? Coming to the main method guys, I have told you people, this is the main method in the Java guys. Without this single line, even though your entire program is correct, without this single line guys, your program doesn't execute, okay? I have told you people in the previous section, Okay, now this is the main method of the Java. Guys, I hope people are thinking that actual execution of your program, every Java program is start from the first line. I hope people are thinking in this way. Guys, absolutely wrong. Guys, always and always the execution in the Java, guys, is start from the this line, whatever the line you people are seeing over here. Guys, this is the main method in the Java. Okay, now without this main method, Java nothing but, guys, one person called the JVM. Okay, now this person, guys, JVM. Okay, now he may not going to be execute the further instruction which was specified inside the class. Okay, now so guys, this is very important line in the Java, because from here, guys, guys, the main execution will be take place. Now, guys, coming inside this main method, guys, in the last class, guys, I have told you people, but nobody has, guys, respond, guys. You had didn't share the screen. Simply people had to listen over here. Guys, it's very important, guys, for you people. Okay, now, so that's why the reason I'm repeating once again for you people. Now, guys, coming to this entire line. Okay, now, guys, coming to this entire line, what do you mean by this line indeed? Guys, this is the way of creating the object in the Java. Okay, guys, and that time I'm saying for you people, object. I don't know how many people are getting it. Okay, now, guys, here I would like to say for you people, guys, what is the real meaning of the object in the Java? Okay, now, guys, this is the line which we call, this entire line which we call, guys, creating the object in the Java. Okay, we are creating the object in the Java for what purpose, guys? In order to access the member of the class. What do you mean by the member of the class? Nothing but, guys, the class which you had created above, nothing but, guys, this class, by specifying the name of the class coming inside the class, guys, this instance variable and the method creation, by specifying this name of the method, guys, this each method, guys, in order to execute these two different things, guys, this is nothing but, guys, members of the class. Okay, now it means, guys, whatever the thing which was specified inside the class, it is indicate member of the class. Okay, now, guys, coming to this entire line. Okay, now, guys, what I will do, I will split into the two parts. I will divide this entire line into the two parts. Guys, one is the right hand side, one more is the left hand side. Now, guys, coming to this RHS right hand side, guys, I had specified this new keyword followed by the name of the class, opening, closing parenthesis, ending with a semicolon. Now, guys, what do you mean by this specifying this entire thing? Okay, now. Oh, okay. Guys, 1 second. Yeah. Now, guys, specifying the new keyword followed by the name of the class, opening, closing parenthesis, ending with the semicolon. Guys, what do you mean by this? Really, why we had specified this new again name of the class, opening, closing parenthesis, ending with the semicolon? Guys, would like to say for you people, guys, once you specify this new keyword, okay, now, guys, once you specify this new keyword, one person will be get activated. Nothing but, guys, this JVM will be get activated. Okay, now, guys, the purpose of specifying this new keyword, we are calling the JVM. Hey JVM, you look at a JVM by looking this class name, the class which I had created above, by specifying the name of the class, by looking this car a class name, the class which I had created above, a JVM, you create the object for this class. Guys, JVM will be go above. Okay, na? Guys, once the JVM find the class name which we had specified, it guys, then guys, it will create the object in the heap segment. Guys, this is the memory point of the view. Okay, na? Now, guys, if you like to really show for you people with the memory point of the view, where I had said, here, guys, yeah, guys, once you specify this a new keyword, JVM will come into the picture. Guys, by looking this a class, the class name which you had specified, guys, once now the JVM, guys, it go for the searching of the class. Guys, once the JVM find this class name which you had specified along with specifying the new keyword, now guys, once the JVM find this class name successfully, then guys, it will create the object in the heap segment. Guys, heap and the stack are the two different segment, guys, in the memory point of the view. Okay, na? Now guys, JVM will be created this object for the class which we had specified, where in the heap segment. Now guys, what do you mean by object? Nothing but guys, you people are seeing this entire circle. Okay, now I hope guys you people are able to see this entire circle. Guys, this is indicating that, guys, it is the object. Guys, what you people are seeing this entire circle, this is nothing but, guys, a object. Okay, which is created by the JVM. Okay, when guys, when you specify this new keyword, okay, I hope guys you people are getting my point. Guys, once you specify this new keyword, JVM will be create the object for this class in the heap segment. Okay, now guys, after creating the class, okay, by looking this class, after creating the class in the heap segment, guys, then the JVM, guys, this person called the JVM, he'll go inside this class. Now guys, once this instance variable, guys, one properties of the class, instance variable, guys, once this instance variable found by this person called JVM, it will allocate each instance variable, guys, inside the heap segment within the object created by the JVM. Guys, I hope people are able to see the object is this entire circle, guys, nothing but, guys, this is the object. Okay, guys, inside the object, guys, you people are able to see name, cost, mileage. Guys, this is the memory allocated for the instance variable. By whom? By the person called the JVM. Guys, this is how the execution, guys, take place, guys, at the each moment when we create the class. Inside the class, once you specify the instance variable. Now guys, after allocating the memory for the instance variable within the object, guys, created, now guys, along with, guys, guys, along with guys the object created by the JVM, it will create the address also. Guys, the address which I am assuming that is the 1000. Guys, I am not exactly saying in the memory point of the in the internally 1000 will be created by the JVM. No guys, I am assuming that this is the 1000 address is a created guys along with creation of an object. Two things guys you have to remember guys, when you specify the new keyword, object will be created. Along with object creation guys, respect to address will be a generated. Okay na? Where I am assuming guys is the 1000. Okay na? Now guys, this is the happening in the heap segment, that is the creation of an object. Guys, this object is nothing but guys, this whatever the entire circle you people are seeing, this is nothing but guys object. Okay now guys, we technically we called as this is the object guys. Okay, now this entire circle what you people are seeing over here guys, if you like to say that technically guys, in the technical word guys, we called object. Okay now, what will be there inside the object guys, the data will be there inside the object. Okay now, what kind of the data guys, having the instance variable and the names of the method. Okay, now I'll come guys how these names of the method are stored inside this object. Now guys, after allocating the memory for the instance variable in the heap segment, now the JVM will come back guys where it has started going in the above class. Okay now guys, this is the right hand side work is a completed. Okay now, after guys we are coming to the left hand side. Okay, now guys, at the left hand side, okay now guys, you people are able to see guys this C1. Okay now guys, what do you mean by this C1 guys, this is nothing but the reference variable. Then what do you mean by the reference variable guys, I have told you people guys, variables are used to store the data. Similarly guys, a reference variable are such a variable which will store the address of an object. I hope guys you people are getting my point. Guys, please try to understand guys, this entire line is very important whenever we create the class guys. Above you people are creating the classes, below within the main method we are creating the object guys. For what purpose? In order to access whatever there inside the class. Guys, these two parts are very important guys. Okay now, this is the creating the object. Coming to the left hand side guys, right now which I am saying for you people, this is the part guys which we call as specifying the reference variable. Okay now guys, this C1 is the name of the variable. Okay now guys, this variable guys, it just to store the address of the object. Guys, as you people are guys able to see this entire diagram guys. Okay now guys, this 100 guys, this is the address of an object guys. Okay now guys, this 100 guys, it will be a come guys. This 100 guys, the address of an object which is a generated guys, this 100 guys will become and sit inside this is C1 reference variable. Guys, please try to understand, once the address of an object, nothing but this 1000 will come and sit inside this C1 reference variable, immediately guys, this will start pointing to this entire object. I hope guys you people are getting what I'm saying for you people. Guys, always and always whatever the reference variable you people create, it will store inside this stack segment. Stack and the heap segment guys, these are the come under the memory point of view. So these are the two different segment guys. Now guys, please try to understand. Okay now, after guys, this reference variable we store the address of an object, that is 1000 will come and sit inside this object. Now guys, my C1 is a start referring to this car object. Okay now guys, This is, guys, this is how we are creating the object in the chart. Okay, now guys, coming to the next line, guys, over here, guys, you people are able to see this entire line. Guys, this is the name of the method, guys, which I had specified over here. Okay, guys, I have told you people, just guys, I have told you people, just creating the method, guys, is not enough, because guys, the methods are not created, guys, in a such a way that once you create the method by specifying the name of the method, guys, the methods are not designed in a such a way that, guys, by themselves only, guys, they are going to be a call. Guys, what I would like to say for you people, once you create the method, guys, by specifying the name of the method, we manually, guys, practically, guys, we have to call the method. Guys, that is what, guys, I'm doing over here after creating the object. Guys, coming to the next line over here, this entire line, guys, this is how, guys, we are calling the method. How to call the method, guys? We need to specify the name of the method which you had created inside the class. Okay, guys, we are specifying the name of the method in order to call the respective method, the method which we had created inside the class. Then why we are specifying this C1 dot operator? Guys, if you like to see this entire diagram, guys, name of the method called start, guys, can you able to see, guys, this is inside my object. I hope, guys, may I write, guys, if you clearly observe over here, my name of the method called start, which is there inside the object. Guys, why do you think so? If I want to go inside this circle, which is the object, because, guys, my start, the name of the method which is there inside the object, guys, in order to go inside this circle, inside this object, guys, I have to be take the help of this person called C1. Guys, what this C1 will be do, the reference variable, guys, which is helping me to go inside the object, guys. Okay, now which is helping me to go inside the object. Okay, why we are going inside the object? Because, guys, once you people are seeing over here, my name cost, my instance variable, and the different method, the method which I had created inside the class, which is there, guys, after creating the object for the class called the car, guys, in the heap segment within, guys, all the method names are available inside my object. Guys, please try to understand, I need to go inside the object. Until unless, guys, if you don't go inside the object, you can't able to access any the thing which you are having inside the class. Nothing but, guys, whatever the thing which you like to access inside the class, we can't able to access, guys, until unless we reach inside the object. Okay, how to reach inside the object, guys? With help of this person called a C1. Now, with the reference variable, we store the address of an object and start pointing to this entire object. Guys, this person which is helping me to go inside the object. Now, guys, with the practically with the code, how we can do it, guys? Just we have to specify the reference variable name dot operator. Then, guys, I am calling the method, guys, by specifying the name of the method. Opening, closing, parenthesis, ending with a semicolon. Guys, this is how we are going inside the object to call the specific method, the method which you had created inside the class. Similarly, guys, coming to the next line, here also we are calling the method, that is the accelerate method, the method which you had created inside the class by specifying the name of the method. Guys, why do you think so? Over here we had specified the reference variable dot operator, then we are calling the method by specifying the name of the method. Similarly, guys, stop is the name of the method. Guys, to call this stop method, we are using the reference variable dot operator, then we are calling the name of the method. Guys, this is how we are go inside the object. now the object which is a created above over here with help of this new keyword. Now guys, why we are specifying this dot operator? Guys, this is dot operator is the only the pathway which is helping to go inside the object, inside this object. Okay now guys, if you miss this dot operator guys, it will throw the compilation error. Okay now, so please keep it in the mind whenever you are calling the method or the anything guys which you want to access which is there inside the object, you have to specify this dot operator. Guys, similarly guys, coming to the next line, name, cost, mileage. Guys, in order to access these instance variable which are there inside the object, I have to specify the reference variable dot operator, reference variable dot operator, reference variable dot operator. Guys, this is the way we are following in order to go inside the object which you had created here above. Guys, this is the entire thing guys, entire thing way of creating the object and accessing the member of the class, nothing but your these methods and these instance variable. Right now guys, over here you people able to see just has specified the name of the variable, but I didn't specify any value, that is name of the car, cost of the car, it means mileage of the car. Guys, do you people able to see over here I had specified any values over here? Guys, I didn't specify. Guys, I hope people are getting the question mark here, it may didn't get the output. Guys, if you go and execute this entire program in respect to platform, surely guys you people are able to see the output. Guys, for name, cost, mileage with respect to data type, the data type is specified, the data type which you had specified guys, along with the data type guys, the default value which are going to be assigned by the JVM. Guys, feedback I have told you for you people. Okay, now guys, this is the way guys we are creating the object. Okay now, creating the classes and we are creating the object and with the memory point of the object. Okay guys, okay guys, we can discuss the next concept in the other class guys.